Shot.
No. Okay. Okay, calm down. Okay. Okay. Okay, now. Stay. Sit up. Sit. Sit down.
That's okay. Hi.
Have all the shots.
Is he just a puppy?
Yes, he's a puppy.
Okay. Rocco. She's pretty.
Now we're in a fighting mode.
Yeah.
You might want to grab him.
Yeah. It's him. It's him we're worried about. It's him. We're trying to train him. We got the... You gotta grab her. Here. Come here, puppy. Here, Damien. He's got his mouth open. No, no! Come on.
Come here.
No, no! You better get it. He's gonna bite her.
Well, I know, but you don't have to do them.
Hey! 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 Hey!
I got him. I got him.
He's got his mouth open.
Got him.
No! 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 You gotta keep your dog on a leash.
Well, I mean,
Hey!
Have all the shots.
Hey! Hey! No!
Oh, great.
Come on.
Come on.
Go! Oh. Get your dog out of here, please.
yeah, like she really listens to me.
Well, then keep him in the keep him at your house then. Go.
Come here.
Go.
Kick it.
I'm not gonna kick the dog. But
Behave when she gets out. Come here. Come here.
Come on.
got on a fucking leash now. You okay?
Yeah.
You know what? Oh, I saw him recording.